Zammele, zammele, hay. Zammele, zammele, hay. Zammele, zammele, hay. Zammele, zammele, hay. Zammele, zammele, hay.
This really looks nice.
This is rubbish. Everything here is rubbish. I don't get it.
Well, I can as well take all this rubbish home with me.
Clara, you don't understand my predicament here, do you?
That you cannot make up your mind on what to wear to go meet the prince? Sure, it is such an unfortunate predicament. And I really do feel your pain.
I don't appreciate sarcasm, but yes, it's a predicament. First impression matters. He's not just an ordinary prince. He's a prince that has lived most of his years in the Western world. He has seen sophisticated women and lifestyle. I need to impress him. Don't you get it? I need to impress him.
But everything here can easily impress any man. Be he from the Mars, the moon, or the Western world. You've always been a sophisticated lady. Babe, everybody knows that. So please do not let this prince guy get you all worked up.
Clara, you don't get it. Clara, you don't... I hope she has some good news. Yes, that took forever. All right. I'll look at them before you get here.
I suppose that's your personal shopper.
Yes. She sent me some pictures of the dresses she's coming with.
Ah, gosh. You're just a spoiled brat.
Whatever.
Ah.
What are these?
Excuse me, mommy.
Excuse you? Excuse you? How dare you beg my pardon? Are you a fool? Are you foolish? Are you stupid? I made it clear today. I made it clear that I want the best of my cars for my convoy.
I didn't tell me you need the luxury.
You are very stupid. Now go and do the needful, you nitwit. Hurry! Fools.
Zammele, zammele, hay. 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 Nasiba, hamele, hazaniya, hamele, hamele, hazaniya, hamele, hamele, hazaniya, hamele, hamele, hazaniya.
Oh yeah, let's go now.
Eh? Go where? I've changed my mind. I'm not going anywhere again today.
What happened?
Our prince just arrived.
He?
I'm telling you, if you see cars, if you see people, if you see cars, hey! I even heard that Onunuju, our billionaire's daughter. You know her now?
Hey, I know her. Yes.
She welcomed him.
He?
I'm telling you. Hey!
Is that why you're angry?
Am I angry? I'm happy for our prince.
Go
where?
Come,
Go like this. No, I need to go and change. I need to look good because that party, that welcome party is not a small party. It's a very big event. In fact, I need to look.
Me, I would love to be there, Steph. I want to see things with my... Hey.
What was that rubbish about?
Exactly what you were supposed to do that you did not do.
Did it ever occur to you that you should have informed or at least given me even the slightest clue that you were going to invite that girl to this occasion?
Oh. It escaped my memory actually. Forget this youthful appearance. Your wife is getting old. So don't blame me. Blame this old woman's failing memory.
I'm not going to stand here and pander to those your games. Go back there. Bring that girl out. And let her leave this palace. That party is meant for private people.
Are you serious? She's going to get married to the prince. And that makes her part of this, your so-called private thing.
Well, I want to tell you that your marriage will work only in your dream.
And I want to tell you, my dear husband, that that's my dream will become reality. Come back to the party. Please come
Oh, finally, we get to have our private time. Busy day, huh? This feels very comfortable. Have you tried lying on this bed yet?
Not really.
I know, right? You must be tired from the long-haul flight. I wonder why they forced you to party with those old men after such a long trip.
Well, I will be fine when I take my shower.
Oh, fine. Go on. I'll wait. I'm a very patient person. That is one of my good qualities that you will appreciate over time. You still here? Oh, you want me to help you clean up?
Not really. What I need is some privacy, if you don't mind.
Oh, sure. My prince. I see that you're a very shy person. So I'll give you some time to clean up and get dressed. I'll be waiting.
Thank you.
I'll be outside.
Okay. Thank you.
What? What? What is it?
Baby, calm down. I am supposed to be the one upset here and not you.
You think? I was in a very important meeting and your call just disrupted it.
I guess your meeting is more important than the one we are supposed to be having in another 5 minutes.
We're supposed to be having a meeting?
Come on, baby. Don't tell me you forgot. We scheduled to have lunch with Mom today. And I'm here to pick you up, and I was only told that you went out.
Can't we reschedule? I mean, we can have lunch with your mom some other time.
Come on, darling. She went through a lot putting this together. It will only be unfair to cancel it. Just tell me where you are. I will come and pick you up.
Hello? 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 Hello?
I can hear you very clear. Where are you?
I can't hear you. Hello? Hello? Hello?
Zammele, zammele, hay. 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 Nashiba, hamele, hazaniya, hamele, hamele, hazaniya, hamele, hamele, hazaniya, hamele, hamele, hazaniya. Nashiba, hamele, hamele, hazaniya, hamele.
Son, are you in there?
Mother, you are.
Wow, I smell freshness. All washed up.
Oh yes, Mother. Though I still feel some pain from long hours of staying in a flight.
I know, I can understand. I think, Ononuju, we're coming here and show you what she can do with her magical fingers.
How? I didn't know she's a massage therapist.
Oh, she is everything you want her to be. She's a woman.
My woman?
Mm-hmm. She's the woman you're about to marry. She's your lover, your everything.
When I heard it there, I thought you were joking.
I don't joke.
I don't get you. Someone I'm meeting for the first time? Someone I practically know nothing about. Who does that in this age and time?
Ujungwa, stop this now.
Nana, what is it? Why are you making my life difficult?
Am I?
Are you? Really? Nana, you're embarrassing me. People are watching. Don't you know who I am? You want to feed those hungry bloggers some content, right?
Ujungwa, 3 years. 3 years of what I thought was a wonderful relationship. This is how you choose to end it? Is this what I deserve?
Nana, Don't be dramatic. I am not breaking up with you. I'm only asking for a break.
A break from me? As if this is not a subtle way of breaking up. Junior, come on. What have I done wrong? I thought we were perfect together. You even said so yourself.
Nana, I love you.
Oh, please don't patronize me.
I am not patronizing you. I love you and you know it. I'm only asking for some time to clear my head, to sort things out. And I need you to respect that.
So what am I supposed to do? Wait indefinitely for you to sort yourself out and come back?
Well, I'm not in the right position to tell you what to do. I only have control over what I want to do. And that, my sweetheart, I do not owe you explanation of. Have a nice day.
Anyone would react the same way.
I didn't take an oath to be with him for life, did I?
I can't believe you're talking about Nana in this manner. You used to be crazily in love with him.
Who says that has changed? Come on, Clara, don't be dumb. You're my friend. I expect you to know better. Huh?
Oh, I didn't realize this is about me now.
Listen, I love Nana. But come on, girlfriend. We're talking about my future here. You cannot compare anyone to a Stanford University trained prince. Come on. This is my future we're talking about here. Think about it.
Nana might not be a prince. Nor did he study in Stanford University. But he's equally well educated. And he's a successful CEO. What more? Look, you both have gone a long way. What do you even know about this Prince Uzodinma? How are you sure this marriage is going to work between both of you? You want to throw away something you're sure of for something you're not even sure of.
And you think I don't know that already? Girlfriend, I am not a fool. I know what I'm doing. That's why I didn't break up with Nana. I only asked for space to sort myself out. Yes.
Space for you to get married to another man. Come on, Uju. And you think he wouldn't find out?
You know what? Enough. I've had enough of this conversation. It's either you're with my decision or you're not. Please, I've had enough.
It's fine. You can do whatever you choose to do. I don't care.
Thank you. Now can we plan about my big day that is coming very soon? Why is Nana calling me? Please, he should stop calling me. In fact, he should lose my number today. Uju. And look at the prince that I've been trying to call. He's not taking my calls and he's not calling me back either.
Would you just calm down? You have forever to spend with him. So why don't you just enjoy this moment?
Wait.
Calm down now. He's busy.
Busy doing what? He's supposed to call to check on me. At least take my call. If he can't call. What is this? Since morning he has not called.
Oju, this is the same person you will spend the rest of your life with. So why don't you just enjoy this moment? Enjoy it. I am so sure him and his people are getting ready. So just calm down. They'll be here soon.
Mom, what is going on? Are they here? Excuse us for a moment, please. Are they here? Excuse us for a moment. Oh, leave. Go. Leave it and go. Come back.
You mean?
Just a minute, please. Thank you.
Excuse me.
Mom, what's happening? I'm worried. I'm anxious. Are they here? What's going on? Prince Uzodinma is not picking his phone. I called the queen, but she said she couldn't talk. That she would call me back. Did you manage to speak with him? Not at all. I've tried severally to reach him. He's not taking his call. He's not calling me back. I don't know what is going on, Mother. I don't know. Let it not be what I'm thinking. I mean, he cannot abandon me today, Mother. Not today. No. Lolo knows better than to allow that to happen. He dares not. Besides, we had everything sorted out. Did we not? Mother, Prince Uzodinma had his doubts about me and this marriage. He was practically forced into it. Let it not be that he ran away at the last minute. Mom, look at it. Maybe he played along all this while. Will you shut up? Will you shut up and allow me to think for a moment? Mom, please, don't shut me up. I know what I'm saying. The shame. The shame. What would people say? I said shut up. Shut up! Hello? Okay. What is it? Are they here? What happened? What did they tell you? Talk to me, Mother. What is it? What is going on?
Our people said that the blacksmith who does not know how to forge a metal gong should look at the tail of a kite.
What have we not done right, Afanefuna?
Rumor making rounds suggests that Esiogu and his royal household are planning to have Prince Uzodinma marry Chief Douglas Onyebuchi's daughter. The day the prince arrived and Lolo said something in that line, we all thought she was joking. If you all have forgotten tradition, I haven't. Prince Uzodinma was betrothed to Ositadinma's daughter the day he was born.
Where is Ositadinma today?
Well, I wouldn't know his whereabouts. The last time I checked, his house collapsed, and he was unable to either put a roof over his head or get help from anyone to do that. Is there anything funny?
Let us know it's our time to discuss about Ositadinma. A commoner, a dismissed school principal who could not fend for his family, cannot be associated with royalty.
And have you forgotten that our tradition is not class conscious? If it were class conscious, someone like you wouldn't be sitting here.
Is that an insult or what?
Take it
Is that an insult?
Take it as well if you like.
All right,
right.
What's all this?
All right, Alpha Male. Cheer. Alpha Male. We cannot wait for a man who we do not know his whereabouts. Whether he is alive or whether he is dead. We cannot wait for his return before the prince takes a bride. Eh? Remember that we are talking about the prince of the land here. The heir apparent. And the only son of royalty. He is supposed to take a bride, take a wife, and get offspring that will be in the interest of this kingdom. Are you forgetting?
When did we lose our sense of commonwealth coexistence? When did we stop being our brother's keeper? Ezeogo, if we do not know where our brother and his family are, is it not in your place to send emissaries to go in search of them?
Exactly!
Is it not? What are we talking here?
I have heard you. I say I have heard you. I will make a move and we shall look for Ositadimma and his family. Elders, have I spoken well?
Igwe. Zambele, Zambele, hai. Zambele, Zambele, hai.
I am glad there are still sane people among the council members.
But Ezeogo must not allow desperation to get the better of him.
What desperation? What desperation? The prince is still very young. Even if it takes 10 years to find Ositadimma and his household, he will still be young enough to produce offspring for the royal family. Forget it. Let's go, abeg. Let's go. You see, these are things we talk about and people won't listen. People won't listen.
My fellow elders, I don't understand why Ezeogo will let Afamifuna dictate how we run the affairs of this kingdom. He's simply drawing back the hand of the clock for us.
Do not be fooled. Ezeogo is trying to be diplomatic. You understand me? Diplomatic at whose expense?
Oh.
His own. Shame on him. Look, let me tell you. Amongst three of us, it's only Afamifuna who is on the right track. I think the best thing is that
Ichechimaroke, it is high time you decide on whose part you want to be on. And stop being a chameleon.
Ah. Me, chameleon. I can't understand you. Let us say because of looking for Sidadimma, and that's all.
Our kingdom is beautiful, beautiful, but evil people want to destroy it.
Who is Afamefuna that you, Ezeogo, would conform to his lousy suggestions? Ositadimma and his stupid family must have died in that evil forest, and their corpses eaten by vultures.
It's possible. It is possible. But I ask you again, why do you so desperately want this marriage between Onomuju and our son?
Who wouldn't want to be associated with affluence?
Affluence? At the expense of our tradition.
A tradition made by man that can be changed by man.
It's not as simple as make it sound.
Neither is it as difficult as you're making it sound.
Listen, Ola, these your people. These your people. If they so desperately want to shop off, marry off their daughter to any man, let them go ahead and find a man, but leave my son out of it.
Izugo, don't try to mess with me. See this woman here? She's capable of doing anything. I have the powers to push anybody around, even you, and you know it.
I am no longer going to do your bidding. I am no longer going to do your bidding. And any more pressure from you, I will tell our son that it's not the rightful trust.
One word from you to our son, and I will tell the whole world how you got on the throne in the first place. Don't push me.
Is that a blackmail?
Is it what it is called? Please.
Zambele, zambele, hai. Zambele, zambele, hai. Zambele.
Do not worry yourself, okay? I will fix it. Alright? I said I will fix it. Am I not the one that called you?
Oh, here you are.
Let me call you back.
Chatting away.
Come on there. Is everything okay?
Aren't you forgetting something?
I don't think so.
Like a date with Ononuju, perhaps?
Oh. That?
Yes, that. Son, why are you not taking her seriously?
Mother, you already know my standard days. I made it known from day one. I don't mean to be disrespectful, but this whole matchmaking concept does not work for me. I am an adult. I should be allowed to find a woman, fall in love with her, and make her my wife. Oh yes. Assuming my whole heart is in this, you wouldn't be the one to tell me about a supposed date with my woman, would you?
Come with me, son.
Zambele, zambele, hai. Zambele, zambele, hai. Zambele, zambele, hai.
Son, this tradition has been in existence even before your forefathers were born. So it is not matchmaking like you called it. Moreover, Ononujuako is a great lady from a wonderful background. She is everything you need in a woman.
How do you know what I need in a woman?
You call me mom yet? If you asked me such a question, if I don't know my son, who will?
On this occasion, you're wrong. She might be everything, but she's not my kind.
How? When you have not given her a chance? Why judge a book by its cover?
It's not my fault if a book possesses questionable threats from the outside. Is that transparent? I can see that from a distance.
What questionable traits are you talking about here?
Mother, never mind. Because even if I tell you, you will not see them. But just know that she is not my type.
And as your mother, I am telling you that your judgment is beclouded by what you think of the tradition. Why don't you give her a chance? Try and bond with her. Get close to her. And I promise you won't regret it. You will like her. Promise me you'll do that for me.
I can't promise.
No. You have to promise me here and now. Promise me.
Okay. Can I at least think about it?
You're thinking about it should start by a lunch date. So, why don't you take your handsome self inside, get ready for that date?
Mother, has anyone told you that you're a pain?
Yes. Your father tell me that every time. So I'm used to it.
Excuse me.
Now, son, remember, do not keep a lady waiting on a first date, okay? And remember, don't go there with the mindset. Go with an open mind.
Hey, Mom.
Yeah. Is the food ready?
Almost.
Okay. Can someone please get the door?
Oh, yes. Someone will definitely get the door. Might be the prince. Yes? What are you doing here? You didn't think you should have called me before coming to my house.
See if you've been picking my calls for the past few days.
So, and as a young man that I presumed you to be, should I not tell you that she doesn't want to later talk to you nor see you?
Good afternoon.
You bring chaos to my house. And then you wish me a good afternoon.
I bring chaos? With all due respect,
I am in no need of your respect. Please leave. Mom, please, I can handle this. Please. If you handled it well, he wouldn't have been here by this time of all times.
Dude, what is happening? I'm lost.
Leave before my guest arrives.
Uju, what is going on?
What do you mean, what is going on? I asked you to give me some time, didn't I? I expected you to respect that. But no, here you are, embarrassing me.
Embarrassing you?
Oh, yes, you are.
Uju, I am embarrassing you. Don't you think I need explanation at least?
She owe you no explanation. Please, leave before my guest arrives. Do you want me to release my dogs on you?
Mom, like I said, I have this under my control. Please, let me handle it.
I said leave! Please, respect yourself and leave, please. Get out!
Listen, Mom, I don't appreciate your interference. I don't. I could have handled this better.
Are you out of your mind? Eh? What if the prince walks in on him? How do you explain that? How do you?
You're late, you know.
Oh, Mother, I had to freshen up. Now I'm ready to go make you happy.
Really?
Mm.
You're sure?
What's that look on your face?
Well, son, I understand and appreciate your simplicity. But that only works abroad. You're home now. You should dress to reflect who you are.
Mother, I understand that. But I'm only going out for a lunch date, not an official function.
With a very important lady. Not just anyone. Come with me, son.
No, Mother. No. I can't deal with this. I can't.
What can't you deal with? I only wanted to make you look your...
No. You are trying to make me be someone else. First, you said I must go out on a date with this girl and possibly marry her. I agreed. Now I can't even choose what to wear.
My darling son. Uzoma.
No, Mother. This will not work. This will not work. I can't deal with this. This will not work with me. If I must go out on this date, then I have to go the way I'm dressed. Else, you cancel the date.
Oh, no. You are fine. This is wonderful. It's great. It shouldn't be a problem. Eh? No. You can go like this. After all, the girl knows you already. She knows who you are. She's even in love with you. So, you can go like this. Yes, go.
Good afternoon, Father. Greetings.
I can see you're settling in well.
Oh, yes.
Yes, I guess he's actually getting used to things around, huh?
With the right people around him, he would settle in better.
Son, do you want to sit with Ichi and I? I'm sure there is something of interest. Huh?
I'd like me too.
As a matter of fact, he would have loved to stay with you people, but he has to go now. Yes. So, you're running late already, and it is not good to keep a lady waiting.
Son, are you going out?
Yes, Father. Mother insisted that I should go on a lunch date with Chief Douglas's daughter.
That daughter of his actually has a name. And I would advise you to start calling her by her name so that you get used to it. Yes, excuse him. Sweet, come.
That I guess I'll see you. Right?
Yes, let me see him to the car.
I thought the union was suspended, ending when Mr. Edelman's daughter is found. I'll tell about the unions. I have a beautiful family. I ask us to guide you.
It seems that madman hangs around our gate more often.
He has been all over the palace mindfulness. When I say all over, I mean all over. As you see him here, don't be surprised that getting to your destination, you also find him there.
I do not understand what you mean by that.
My prince is a very fast mover. We even call him the flying feet. Nobody knows where he come from, but he has been around for a very long time.
Not to worry. Let me handle him. Oh! Is this not the young man we've been waiting for all afternoon?
Good afternoon, ma'am. I'm sorry for being late. I apologize. It was beyond my control.
No. It's okay. Don't worry. Not a problem. Please come and sit. Hi.
Hi. This is for you.
Ah, Western style. I like it. Thank you.
You're welcome.
Please sit.
Thank you, ma.
You're welcome.
Thank you, ma.
Well, you need no introduction, but allow me to introduce myself. Call me Lady Catherine, the mother of this beautiful lady here.
Nice to meet you, ma.
The pleasure is all mine. But like I said, Lady Catherine, not ma. You look good.
Thank you. And you too.
Thank you. The table is set for lunch.
Okay.
Please join us. Come with me.
Okay.
Of course you can have her all to yourself. I don't mind.
I'm sorry, ma, if I sound rude.
Not at all. You're not sounding rude. As a matter of fact, you're supposed to have a private time together. Feel free, please.
Thank you.
Shall we? Thanks again.
You're welcome.
What is wrong with two young people having a harmless lunch?
And I was the last to know about it.
Ezogo, please. Already you have your hands full with matters of this kingdom as the king. You don't expect me to bother you with frivolities.
It's as far as you're concerned, it's normal for you that I shouldn't know what you do with our son, the prince, and that lady. And you know that the elders in council have something to say about this situation.
I'm not part of your plans with your lousy elders. Their own should not interrupt mine. Do your thing, please. Let me do my thing.
Unfortunately for you, you are not at liberty to do whatever you think you want to do with the prince. He belongs to the kingdom.
I carried him in my womb for 9 months. I gave birth to him. I suckled him. I nurtured him. Let us see how far the elders will go in this battle. Excuse me.
Ezogo is too decent to go against his words.
Are you calling me a liar?
I wouldn't dare. But given on the side you were on at our last meeting, I am surprised you are telling me about what you supposedly saw at the palace.
Afam, I don't belong to any group. What I crave for is for the progress of this kingdom and nothing more.
Indeed.
It's obvious that Lolo is pushing for Uzodinma and Douglas's daughter's marriage.
That is not news to me, Ichi. We were all there on the prince's arrival when she introduced the lady as his betrothed. How were you not?
Now, Lolo have arranged for a lunch date between two of them. Ezugo became helpless when he heard of the date.
I could let you go on and on, Ichie. Honestly, I am getting irritated. What exactly do you want me to do from this piece of information that you have brought me?
Look, I thought I should relate to an elder, and Ichie like me. I never knew I was wasting my time.
Well, I so much appreciate your efforts choosing me among the men in council to relate to. But then, nothing has changed with the plans in place to go in search of Ositadema. I do not see how whatever you saw or heard changes anything. Or does it?
I thought I was talking to a better person. I never knew I was just merely wasting my precious time. I live with your frustrations.
Ichi Maruke, when it's obvious that the goals cannot be reached, don't adjust the goals. Rather, you adjust your action steps.
Nonsense. Idiots!
I am Afamefune. Mweze adi efunamba.
Papa.
Oh, my son, you are back.
Good afternoon. What have you done to upset your friend?
You should know your father too well. I am not double-sided man. I go to the straight point. I am not a chameleon like that. How was your trip to your mother's place?
Fine. I want to send her regards.
I know. Anyway, sit down. Let's talk more important things.
Okay, but you know what? Let me drop my bag.
Okay.
I'll be right back.
Mbano. Guys, hey. Alpha Mefune. Mweze. Adi Efunamba.
Oh, you're here? Okay, that's fine. Come inside.
Come in.
Hi, girl. What's up?
I'm fine. I was just trying to rest before you called.
I'm so sorry. Hope I didn't wake you up.
No, that's fine.
But you're still going though. Why aren't you dressed?
I thought I told you I don't work on Sundays.
And who is talking about work? Have you forgotten I told you I would be taking you out today?
Oh, yes, that is right. I totally forgot. Sorry. Okay, that's fine. Let me quickly take a shower then.
I'll be with you shortly. Take all your time.
All right. Make yourself at home.
Yeah, come in. The door is open. Oh,
Well, son,
mother.
are you going out?
It looks like it.
Where are you going looking this smashing?
Thank you, mother. Well, let's just say that the date you organized has given birth to another date. So congratulations, mother.
Are you going to see Ananuju?
Do you object to that?
Oh no, not at all. As long as it is Ananuju, go ahead, I love it.
Thank you, mother. Well, one persuasive woman that I love told me that I should give a lady a chance. And I'm doing my very best to do that because I love her.
And I love you too, son.
Thank you.
Well, does the driver know that he's taking you?
Yes, about that. I'll be driving myself. I'll renew my license so that I will be able to drive myself more often.
Well, that's nice. Just be careful, okay?
Thank you, mother. I love you.
I love you, son. Mwah. Mwah.
After you.
Hey!
How are you?
I'm good. Okay. All right. One more. All right. I'm all set.
Wow. You look so good.
Oh, sweetie. I always look good.
I see.
Okay, let's go.
It seems you like taking a lot of pictures.
Oh yes, I like capturing every moment. You know, it's a lifestyle.
So good. All right. There you go.
You mean I should enter? Sweetie, why don't we just go with mine?
Please. This is my car. It's just a seat out. I'll bring you back, okay?
If you don't like this one, we can go with this. Yeah, I'll go with the range.
I insist we go in my car, please. Okay, let me open it for you. Alright.
Oh, I should enter.
Oh, yes. I will drop you back, okay? You have nothing to worry.
You sure you don't mind?
Let me take you.
We just sit at the back seat when my driver takes us.
I'm a gentleman. Let me take you to the car, okay? Let's go. Alright.
I hope the AC is working.
Do not worry. It is working. Let's go now.
Okay. I should sit, right?
What are they doing?
Who? Oh, you mean my convoy? They are coming with us. Do you have any problem with that?
I don't think it's necessary.
Well, like I said, they are coming with us.
Why do you need a convoy to follow us? It's just a sit out. I'll bring you back.
Hello. I am a wealthy man's daughter. Do you know what is security? My father cannot afford for anything to happen to me. Anything.
And what can possibly happen to you in this kingdom? Our kingdom is a peaceful kingdom. I said I will bring you back. Moreover, going with a convoy attracts unnecessary attention to you.
Sweetie, wherever I go, my convoy goes with me. That's my father's decision, not mine. Thank you very much.
Okay.
Zammele, zammele, hay.
Thank you for allowing me to sing.
It's not a problem. I am sorry I couldn't be of much help.
It's not your fault.
Like I said, I will talk to her and get back to you.
I just have this feeling that there's another man.
Come on, Nana. Don't run into conclusion. She just asked for some time, so...
Exactly. Some time for what? To see another man?
No. It is not always about another man. So don't burden yourself with such thoughts. She only requested for some time, so I just feel you should wait and see what happens.
It's okay. I am off to Germany next week. Maybe that will help me get her off my mind. Hopefully by the time I return, she might be ready to talk or something.
I hope so too. And make sure you enjoy your trip.
Thank you so much.
You're welcome.
You want me to take you home?
No, I have to be someone with my brother. So he'll be here in a moment.
Why? You don't like it here?
It's very noisy here, can't you see? Let's find a place that is very convenient and calm.
Okay. Where do you have in mind?
Well, I'm not familiar with the hangar spots in town, but I trusted you to find a very convenient and calm place for us to talk.
Okay, well the place is farther away from here.
No problem, let's go please. Okay?
Okay.
So what do you do for a living? Hello?
Oh, the food. Very tasty. I like it.
I know the food is thirsty, but that wasn't my question. I asked, what do you do for a living?
All right, I'm a social media person with over 2 million followers.
Oh, interesting.
Thank you.
You're welcome. So what company or product has been your biggest gig?
Oh, please. I don't work with any company. I have my fans. They are crazy about my content. They are crazy about me. Take, for instance, what happened today at the bar. That's what I get whenever I'm out and about. That's what I live for.
So how do you make money from that?
Oh, please. What lousy money can I possibly get from my hungry fans? I don't need their money. I give them money.
In essence, you have no job you earn money from doing.
Excuse me, my prince, but I kind of feel insulting here. I mean, what job can I possibly be doing? My father employs people to do all the jobs. Hello?
Somebody, somebody, hi. Somebody, somebody, hi. Somebody, somebody, hi.
Oh, here you are, son. I've been looking for you all over the place.
What is there any particular reason you look for me?
Honestly, my ears are itching to hear how your date went.
Oh, that.
Yes, that.
Well, it was revealing.
What does that mean?
It means that it gave me the opportunity to confirm that she is not the woman for me.
Zadimma. Okay, let me educate you. No woman is already made. You have to mold her into what you want her to be.
I know that, mother. But that's for your generation. What worked for your generation is not obtainable now. That lady in particular, the lady we are talking about, has nothing to offer other than shaking her bum on social media.
Son, it is called twerking. That is what most girls do these days. Do not crucify her because she's following the trend. No.
I agree. That's how low our society has gone. I equally know that so many people make money on social media by doing stuff like that. But her case is different.
Zadimma, you are just doing everything possible to run that girl down. Why? I'm trying to know why. That girl is a good girl.
Let her take her goodness to another man. She is not the right woman for me. I don't want her.
Well, unfortunately, you don't have a choice here. According to tradition, you marry her.
But I'm not interested. I don't want to have anything to do with someone that shakes her bum and do not even earn anything for it on social media. Money, please.
Somebody, somebody, hi. Somebody, somebody, hi. Somebody, somebody, hi. Somebody, somebody, hi.
Is it? I was actually on my way to your house. I hope all is well that you are coming to my house. All is not well, is it, Dibia? Is it not only the stupid weaver bird who challenges his chief to a fight after he has been fed fire? You have spoken correctly. It is the pride of the monkey, not in his knowledge of the treetops. And our pride as men lies in our customs and tradition. Ezedibia, the unthinkable is about to unfold before us as we speak right now.
Talk to me in a plain language.
Ezugo is planning to have a son, marry Chief Douglas Onyebuchi's daughter. And if you know originally, when the glorious dice is cast, the prince was betrothed to Ositademma, Mbuizu's daughter. Uche Godia?
Ositademma Mbuizu. The one that disappeared many years ago.
Yes, indeed.
Is he back?
He isn't. But nobody knows his whereabouts. Ezugo is about to make a very big mistake. A very big disastrous mistake. Ezedibia, Kedifa Igeme.
Asi Afife Kubi. Eleoba.
Onya.
Come with me.
Ọrụkwa ka ọ na-elu anaghị na-agba aka abịa n'iru mmụọ. A sị na ọkwa n'ọjị ka mmadụ na mmụọ ji rikọọ. Aja ana ọkwa oke nke unu ka m wefutere unu. Ezumezu mmụọ niile ka m na-ekwu wee sịkwa unu wee bịa kelee oke nke unu. Na-ekwenụ ya. Na-ekwenụ ya. Aja ana na-ekwe ọjị. Ovukwa n'ọkwa n'iru ka awọ na-ama, iru ka enwe na-ama, n'ọkwa n'iru ka anyị na-eje. Ka a jụrụ nyazakwa, ka a kwuru nyazakwa. Na-ekwu ya n'ọgwa na eke n'oye na ahụ na nkwọ. Acha n'ọnụ ka anyị ga-azụchi ọma dabala anyị. Ya. Ọkwa naanị ọnwa na-azụ n'ilo na-azụ n'Igbo. Ibe ejokanarịkwa n'ụda esikarịa nkakwụ. Aja ana. Udo bụ. Na-akpọdozie n'isi n'ala.
Afamefuna. Ezedibia. I am seeing serious danger.
Ajana. Gbarikwa n'okwu. Maka na okenye a na-akwana ezie nwata ozi nye nnu kpọgie mmiri. Ọwakanala m ihe ọfụma. Na-anyịkwa n'alụ ka na okenye a na-akwa na-awụzie nwata ozi nye nnu kpọrọkwasị ya mmiri. Kpọọ na ya aba. Then look at both of them.
They say that Ositademma is still alive, and so is the betrothed.
I have never doubted my gods. I knew they are alive. But the question is, where are they?
Ajana. Anara na-eji gbagwo mgbalụ ọla wee na-akụziri nwatakịrị nne. Aja na-akpọ nwekwe n'ihe ọ na-eme. Onye a na-eku nwere ihe ọ na-eme maka na egwu anaghị atụ ahụ oburu ụzọ. Egwu anaghị atụ ahụ oburu ụzọ. Ya. Ah! They have refused to speak. The gods are angry. The gods are angry with our people because of what they did to Osta Dema's family.
Our kingdom is beautiful, beautiful. But evil people.
How am I supposed to know you'll be there with the prince at that time?
Clara, you are supposed to. You are my friend. And you know that that lounge is my favorite hangout spot.
It is Nana's favorite hangout spot. He asked me to meet him there.
So, he saw me with the prince.
What do you care anyway?
What do you mean, what do I care? That my boyfriend saw me with another man. You're asking me, what do I care? And how is this funny to you?
I am surprised it is not funny to you yourself. You have a prince at your beck and call, and yet you are crying over a man you threw away like trash.
Oh, please.
Girlfriend, this is very hilarious.
Stop it. Clara, I did not throw Nana away. I only asked for a space. Just a space.
Of course. You're trying to play smart, just in case it doesn't work out between you and the prince. But I am here to remind you that you cannot eat your cake and still have it.
Anyway, no point worrying my pretty head. Because things are beginning to look good between the prince and I. I am sure that pretty soon, wedding bells will ring.
That's what you're supposed to be talking about. And not crying over one Nana guy. You've always had what you desire.
I know, right?
So, I wish you good luck with this one.
Thank you.
Now, don't try this next time, because I won't take it.
Hey.
Leave me alone. You just pissed me off.
Sorry. So, I have a gist.
Leave me, I don't want to hear.
If the oracle wanted us to find him, it would have told us where, or at least given us a clue.
Ezugo, the oracle's silence is a punishment on us. Didn't you hear me when I said that?
I heard you. I heard you, Ezugo. I heard you loud and clear. Osita Dema was not ill-treated.
Igwe, did you say Osita Dema was not ill-treated? A man whose all his landed assets were taken away from him? Completely everything was taken away from him, Igwe. When he asked for help, nobody could give him a lending hand. Igwe, what was his crime? A learned commoner and a struggling man. Igwe, you said he was not ill-treated.
Yes, but all that is not enough to keep my son's life at a standstill. Look at that. Consider that also.
Igwe, I rather fall out with a man than to fall out with the oracle. I stand on what I said. Put a hold on your son's marriage arrangements until the oracle says so, Igwe. I take my leave.
Greetings, Ezedibe. Father, is there anything in the matter?
No, nothing. Nothing. Ezedivia just came to give me a message. That's all.
For the past few days, I hear nothing but arguments from this courtyard.
Arguments. People must argue back and forth. Yes. And some of that argument may well be to further the interest of this kingdom.
If I may ask, Father, does these arguments have anything to do with the marriage arrangements?
No, not at all.
Very well then. Father, I've come to check if you could help me talk to Mother. I am not comfortable the way she's going about this marriage thing. She's putting so much pressure on me and I don't like it. Please help me and talk to her. I want her to stop immediately.
Son, I don't know how I can do that, and I cannot guarantee you that I will be able to stop your mother. Yes.
Why not?
Let's not just go into, gymnastics with words. What one does not know is greater than him.
I do not understand what you mean by that.
Son, by the end of all this, you are the person that will live with the girl. The decision to go ahead or not to go ahead is yours.
Are you implying that I have the right to refuse this whole marriage arrangement? The tradition doesn't matter anymore.
Now, son, do not put words in my mouth, please.
I didn't come here to get more confused and frustrated. This is what it is. What is it?
I'm talking to you.
What do you want? What do you want?
What has come over you?
Stress and frustration has come over me, mother. Stress and frustration, and I have you to thank for that.
Really? You're stressed and frustrated because you want to be. What is wrong with allowing someone love you?
Mother, please, I'm not cut out for this. What do you want?
Okay. I just got off the phone with Ononuchu. And she complained that you have not been taking her calls.
Oh yes. It has to be about Ononuchu. Since I came back from the States, have you called me as your son? Have you talked to me as my mother and asked me how I'm faring or discussed about my personal issues? It's always about Ononuchu this, Ononuchu that. Please, stop that already.
No.
Mother, please stop it.
No, I will not stop. I will not stop until you come to terms with the fact that Ononuchu is a huge part of your life. What is this? Listen, I am this lenient with you because of the love I have for you. Now I want you to pick up your phone and do the needful. Call her. I don't ever want her to complain about you again. Is that clear? And what names?
I don't know, but I suspect Afamefuna.
That fool? That imbecile? Why is he always interfering in our family affairs? Why?
This is not exactly a family affair. It concerns the whole kingdom. One mistake can cause a serious calamity that will destroy the entire kingdom.
Spare me that. Who decides what calamity befalls the kingdom? It took me so many years to build the relationship we have today with the Onyebuchis. Why are those fools messing everything up for me? Why?
If you go ahead with this plan, the entire community will burn. Don't do that.
I don't care. No, I don't.
Ola. Wives of royal men who later became queens did so because they were chosen not by men, not by us, but by the oracle. It happened in our own case, and you know it. You were chosen to be my wife at birth.
Why are you lecturing me on something I already know?
Because you're trying to alter the course of tradition which you are already familiar with.
Spare me that jargon. Ezugo, who made tradition? Man. The same man is capable of changing it when it is no longer useful. I want it to go down in the annals of history that I, Lolo Oladima, changed this one.
Zambele, zambele, hai. Zambele, zambele, hai. Abia no chungwa, uchungwa. You too hot like Samovita, Samovita. Abia no chungwa, uchungwa. You too hot like Samovita, Samovita. What the makata manya na chia, makata manya na chigi. I'm on the chungwa, no. What the makata manya na chia, I'm on the chungwa na chia. Baby fire, fire. Fire, fire, you get them plenty fire, fire. When I'm baby, wanna, you get them plenty fire, fire. When I'm
Hey,
Hey, boo boo.
don't tell me you're clubbing this early.
Oh, yes, I'm clubbing all by myself in my room, doing what I know how to do best.
Oh, shouldn't this call be a distraction then?
Oh, no, boo. Talking about clubbing, why don't you come with me to the club tonight? Like you already know, I get the VVIP pass.
Unfortunately, I have a business proposal that I would want to attend to today, so I will pass.
What do you need a business proposal for?
Well, unlike you that have a wealthy man as a father that doesn't think you should work and earn a living, I have none, so I have to work in order for me to earn a living.
That's not true. If you decide to work, that's because you want to work, not because you need to. Come on, honey, listen up. Besides, clubhouses don't bite. Club is fun, and like you know, fun is an essential part of life.
Why don't you allow me pass this time? I'll make it up with a lunch tomorrow, okay? I'll test you time and place.
All right, that's good. That's better than nothing. At least I get to see your dreamy eyes again.
I have to go now. I'll talk to you later, okay?
Not a problem. Take care of yourself. I love you. How rude. He didn't even say anything to that. Whatever.
Baby, fire, 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 fire. You get them plenty fire, fire. When I'm baby, wanna, when I'm you get them plenty fire, fire. When I'm I've been Ujuma, you too hot like Samovita. I've been
You see, this particular scene, the script says to get an aerial shot of this particular scene with a drone. The director, I think he's right. He says it's going to be off if we try to.
Yeah. From what I see here, the director is absolutely right. I agree with the director. Using a drone would not fit the scene.
Yeah, but what the director has proposed is totally off the table. It's not an option because I wouldn't want to put you in such risk.
Yes, but remember, it's the director's film. So what is your alternative? Because as a cinematographer, I can particularly tell you that this scene is important and there's no way we'll take it off.
Yeah, that's...
Yes, and we can take it off.
That's exactly why we're in this fix. But, compared to what the director has said, I will just use the drone.
No. You see, the drone will not give us the required angle we need for this scene. So, it's not an option.
It will not, but it will have to suffice, unfortunately. I mean, it's a pretty long one. I didn't bring you to Nigeria to kill you.
But sweetheart, that is not how I work. Listen, I know it's a bit difficult, but I'll have to do what the director suggested.
You mean you will get on a moving vehicle to film?
Mm-hmm.
No. Martha, no, I will not. I mean, have you even done that before?
No. But I promised you a professional job. And besides, it's going to be like a learning curve to me anyways. So it's fine. Tomorrow we'll shoot that scene. I have to risk it anyways.
Are you sure about this, Martha? Because I'm not sure, I mean. But we can give it a try.
Listen, sweetheart. I promised you a professional job. And I am not going to let anything spoil that. This is my work, so let me do what I know how to do best. Okay?
Okay. Thank you.
You're welcome.
You're my hero. But wait, we are going to, evaluate the risk before we try it on set.
Sure, that's not a problem.
Okay. Yeah. Let me allow you get some sleep. Then tomorrow is going to be a tough day.
Cool.
9:30 a.m. in the morning.
9:30, short time.
Thanks once again.
You're welcome. See you tomorrow.
See you tomorrow.
Right. Okay.
Zambale, hai. Zambale, hai.
I am sorry for keeping you waiting. I have some friends visiting in my house, hence I'm late. How are you doing today? Anyway, I brought you some food. I want to come out. What? I want to come out of the discourse and review who I am. With everything that is going on in the palace right now, you can't. Not now. When the time is right.
I will be the one to bring you out.
I found it difficult to trust you. I came to you on my arrival, thinking that you could be trusted. But not anymore. There's some information you're hiding from me. And now you won't even let me come to your house. Why?
You don't need to be upset. I am simply protecting you, and you know it.
Protecting me? What is going on in Chiafam? Huh? And I noticed there is a young man who newly arrived at the palace. Who is he?
Obika, listen. The less you know, the better for you. We had a plan, and we are going to follow it through. Can you still trust me? When the time is right, you will definitely come out and take your rightful place. But that time isn't now.
Do not betray me, Ichiafam. Do not betray me. I have been through a lot to see myself at this point. And I will not be happy to find out that you betrayed me.
I made you a promise, and I am keeping it till the end.
Mucho fuego. I kill him. Pop, I kill him. Mucho muerto, a mucho fuego.
Hey, are you okay? I've been trying to reach you for about 30 minutes now. I am at our usual spot. Please call me when you get this, okay?
Actually called so we can discuss about our children's marriage arrangement.
Well, every other thing is on course. There's just a little problem that has to be taken care of.
Why am I not surprised? What could the problem be?
Hi, Tracy. No. No, I can't make it. I'm still knocked out from last night. Yes. Besides, I have a date with the prince. Yes, I have a date with him by... Oh my goodness, let me call you back. Let me call you back, please. 7 missed calls from the prince.
Who are those gullible elders? What makes them think they have a say in this matter? Do they actually know who is involved?
But you don't have to blame them. What do they know? Where have they been to? All of them have been confined in this kingdom. And that is how low their mentality is. Every one of them is talking about tradition.
What nonsense tradition? Lolo, I think you've not done your homework well. You see those men, they will choose money over their useless traditional beliefs at any point.
You don't want to know. I have thrown some millions out there.
I am not talking about money for snuff or palm wine. I'm talking about good money. Look, I will not allow them mess with our children's happiness and future. And for that reason, first thing tomorrow morning, I will credit your account with 5 million naira.
That's nice. Thank you. Thank you so much. That money will go a long, long way.
All right. I'll call you back.
Hey, Mom.
What is going on?
The prince has been waiting for me in the restaurant, so... And I mean, I was hungover from last night. I didn't take his call. Now I'm trying to call him back and he's not taking I guess he's upset.
So what are you up to now?
I'm going to the restaurant to meet him.
No, I doubt if he will still be there since he's not taking your calls. Okay, yes, just calm down, okay? Relax. Let me call Lolo. I believe she can talk to him, then he will listen. Okay?
Mom, are you sure about this?
Trust me on this.
Okay. Let me go. Let me go back to sleep. I'm still... Okay, thanks, Mom.
Alright.
What is happening in our kingdom? What is going on? What is going on? Our kingdom is beautiful. Why do you want to destroy this kingdom? Oh, what is there to gain?
Those are them. Why have you not been taking her calls? Excuse us. You should take her calls and hear her own side of the story. She's sorry for standing you up.
Obviously. She is.
She had a very bad hangover from her clubbing last night and she slept all through morning into late afternoon.
Mother, look at how comfortable you are. Telling me that the woman you want your son to get married to had a hangover from clubbing.
Come on, it can happen to anyone.
No, it can't happen to the woman that I will call my wife.
Come on, son. There is nothing wrong with clubbing.
I agree with you. There is nothing wrong with clubbing. But this lady in particular clubs for a living. Oh yes, that's what she does. Drinking, dancing, and taking pictures for the ground. How do you want me to end with that?
Hold on a minute. Let us get something straight here. Why are you mad? Are you mad because she stood you up? Or because of the kind of lifestyle she has chosen for herself? Or are you just being judgmental here?
Mother, I am mad because you of all people seem not to understand me, seem not to see that I, your son, deserves better.
My son deserves better than the daughter of a billionaire? Is that what you're saying? You think I'm stupid? I know what I am doing. I have everything worked out. This is one family that will stand solidly behind you when you eventually become king. Cut off that your short-sightedness.
I should be able to find happiness first before talking about money. Money is nothing to me. All I need is happiness. And with that girl, Mom, I will know no happiness because our lifestyles are totally different.
Zodima, I am sorry for you. I am really, really sorry for you. Because your myopic mind has messed up your life. But you should thank your stars that you have a mother like me who is here to guide you. Listen, just pick up your phone, call her, and accept her apology.
Mother, I do not need her apologies. I think it's high time I went back to the States. If that is all that I need to gain my happiness, my peace, and my sanity.
You dare not, Uzodema. Don't dare me.
I better be at my room. I'm sorry.
Zammele, zammele, hai. 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 Zammele, zammele, hai.
Troubles this much.
Troubled? No, son. I'm just admiring the wonderful gift of nature. Isn't it beautiful?
Father, I'm not a child. Remember? I've watched your moods fluctuate these past few weeks. I tried to connect with you as your son, but you kept on dismissing me. What is going on? Father, I ask, what is going on? If there is anything you're contending with, I think I am in the right position to know about it.
Son, listen, as your father, there is absolutely nothing to worry about. Nothing is happening. Okay? Okay, good. So, are you bonding with Nanuju?
There wasn't any bonding. I tried spending time with her, but it didn't work out. I can't see myself falling in love with her, let alone marrying her. But then, tradition is always thrown at my face.
See, one thing our heart doesn't tell us is that love is about feelings. Love is sometimes like commitment.
Father, why do I have this feeling that there is more to this marriage arrangement than fulfilling the tradition? With the way mom is going about it, I think she's more interested in it for her own gains than fulfilling the traditions. Is that it?
Son, these your thoughts will do none of us any good, okay?
Our kingdom is beautiful, beautiful. But evil people want to destroy.
My queen, what is this money for?
It is for you.
For me?
Calm down.
What?
I know you have never seen such amount of money in your life.
Yes.
But I have come to turn your life around. But you need to do something for me.
Whatever you want, Lolo. Akachi will do it. I promise I will do it.
Okay. Okay. I want you to support my son to marry Douglas Onyebuchi's daughter.
Hey. Lolo. There is no problem about that. I can give you my support. You and I know what the tradition says.
We're not talking about the tradition here. We're talking about money.
Yes, money.
Money, yeah. So, make your choice. Are you doing what I'm asking you to do, or should I go with my money?
My queen, I'm in a very delicate situation right now. I don't even know what to do. But I will gladly give you my support. I will support you and take the money.
Hold on, cool down. You have to make your choice. You can't stand on both sides. Are you supporting me?
Yes,
or not?
Actually, I know what to do to balance both equations so that I will be on both sides. Eh?
Make your choice. Are you for me?
The money.
Or against me?
No, for you. The money. I will give you my support. I will give you my support. Lord, give me the money.
You don't mess me. You don't try to mess me up.
No, Lord.
If you do, you will not like what I'll do to you.
The money. The money, you have my support.
Did you hear what I said?
Yes, Lolo, give me this money.
Hang on. Allow me to give it to you myself. Okay. Want to snatch it?
No.
You will do it.
Yes, I will. You have my support.
You will do it.
I will do it.
Are you sure?
I promise.
If you try to mess me up,
I'll mess you. I will mess you, bro. Give me the money.
Hold on. Let me hand it over to you. Hey.
Okay. Thank you.
Remember,
you already have my support like June 12. I will give it to you.
I brought you this gift. Ichia Famefu. I brought you a gift. 1 million naira. All for you.
I am trying very hard to understand the kind of service I've rendered to you to have deserved such a thing.
Let's just say it's a token from me to you for your support.
What kind of support are you talking about?
Ichia Famefu na. Just like I'm wafa. You want me to say things the way they are?
Lolo, as far as I know, I have not done any work for you. Please take your money. Maybe you are mistaking me for someone else. If those fools who call themselves elders in council have sold their dignity for pieces of crumbs, I will not.
Ichia Famefuna, you and I know that you have never seen such amount of money in one day. Why are you calling it pieces of crumbs?
All I'm saying is that this money here is too small for an Ichie like me to go against the tradition.
I see. Now I understand. I'll double it.
You either don't get it, Lolo. You don't. Are you trying to test my patience? I will not support you to have the prince marry the wrong woman. I will not. That is my stand. Lolo, let me ask you. There are two types of people in life. Those who hate their lives and do something about it. And those who hate their lives and do nothing about it. Which type are you? Even if the king comes to me with such nonsense you have come to me with, I will do the same. The fear of death follows the fear of life. A man who lives fully is prepared to die at any time. That is it. Take my leave.
He just walked out on a grin. You will regret this. Trust me.
My prince, what are you doing? Nobody talks to a madman. Perhaps you're royalty, you're not supposed to be seen with him.
Let me have the food.
My prince, don't tell me he's the one you asked for the food for.
I said, let me have the food.
But my prince, can we at least empty the food into a bag or something else? You can't give me food in this dish.
I'll come back, okay? Come back. I mean no harm. This is for you. Oh yes. I am sure this will take you through today. Thank you.
Ichie Yagazie. You know, you are the one person I didn't assume would join in pushing this madness. You heard what Ezedibia said. Yet, you want us to go ahead with this plan.
You confuse me, Your Majesty. Are you for or against the marriage?
What's that supposed to mean? I mean, what kind of question is that? And you expect me to answer it? You know there will be dire consequences if tradition is bypassed.
But tradition has been bypassed over time. And people go unpunished. This will not be an exception.
No, what's that supposed to mean?
Like what happened to your uncle. Listen, weeks before his coronation, as the Eze of our land, the title you now bear. I don't mean any harm. No plans for blackmail. I wouldn't do that to you. But assuming the oracle is potent, as it is traditionally portrayed, why are you still walking the surface of the land freely? You needed to have seen his face when I hit him with that piece of classified information. He never uttered a word until I left his presence.
Good job, Yagazie. Good job. Exactly the effects I hoped for. Good job.
Thank you.
And what about Afamifuna? How did it go with him?
Lolo, that is one hard nut to crack. He almost set me on fire when he asked me to get out of his house.
So bad for him then. Just like the stubborn fly. He will end badly.
Well, Lolo, I will leave him to you. But going back to the king, was he actually responsible or he had a hand in Ulysses' death?
Yagazie, that is as much as I want you to know. Just forget the details, okay? Forget it.
Well, I know Igwe will not do such a thing. But what baffles me is why you will use such an information against him. And why he reacted the way he did.
Well, I think this meeting is over. I'll leave now. What was that? My driver almost knocked you down, you know.
Lola, I have a message for you from the God.
And did they tell you to die in the process?
Lola.
Oh, please. If the message you're here to deliver is that important, then go straight to the point and stop your useless adages.
The oracle speaks with a facts.
The odor lingers after the word must have been spoken. Lolo deceased. Deceased. Lolo deceased.
Take me out of here. Start this vehicle.
Ola, has it come to this? Has it come to the point where you go about bribing important members of the council?
And how did you get that information?
Honestly, you have to stop. Right now, the prince is even beginning to ask questions.
Really? If he is asking questions, that means he has realized that you are a chameleon.
Is that what you think?
That is what I know, and that is what it is. Please, I have more serious things to think about. I don't have time for this.
Well, stop it! Will you stop moving me about like a pawn in a game of chess? Just stop it!
Father. Mother. Is there any problem?
No, not at all. Your father and I are having a heart-to-heart talk.
Oh. Something is definitely going wrong between the two of them.
Zambale, Zambale.